guys, welcome back. So I have a planner haul here. I have two planners from Erin Condren and I have a planner from the Penny Pages, but we're going to start with Erin Condren. So I did order a life planner and a monthly planner. With my life planner, I did get the stencil. You would have seen this stencil in my plan with me for this past week. I'm filming this on the September 4th, right? No, I am filming this on September 5th. So there's that. So I am going to be using this with this planner mostly, but I will probably pull it out with my catch-all. So the monthly planner here for Erin Condren is I got the Rogu cover with a gold foil. You get like a little packet here with some cards. I'm not going to take them out because that'll show a coupon code that I don't want to show. And then you get a little perpetual calendar here. So the monthly planner is pretty much what it stands for, monthly. This is from the other one, which I'll get into in a minute. But what comes standard in it is normally you wouldn't have this here. It would open straight up to one of the calendars, and then you get the 6. I know that's confusing, but I kind of franken-planned a little bit. Started to kind of figure out what I want. This does start in January, but I think I might start it next month in February. So the monthly is just a monthly view. You get the dashboard, and then you get blank notes pages. And that's how it is for every single month. I got it in the canvas design because I wanted it to be completely neutral. And then back here there's a tab. It does say work, but these are project pages. And oh yeah, I wrote in the back of this one. And then these are project pages. So I'm going to be using these for like diamond painting projects that I want to do on my YouTube channel. So there's that. And then I got the Erin Condren Life Planner in the vertical layout. I'm not going to show you the cover because it's a personalized cover. It has a picture of my family on it. And as you can see, I have already went and franken-planned this guy. Not even franken-planned. I took out all of the dashboards in the monthlies and everything else and all the notes pages, because all I wanted in this planner was the vertical layout. And the reason I wanted that is because I'm going to be bringing back memory planning. So I will start in July because I did sorry about that. There was a plane going overhead. I am going to be starting in July of 2024, so we will be back planning in this planner, but this is my family memory keeping planner, so like a scrapbook almost, but we're going to be using full vertical kits in this. And along that came again with this planner is 2 coupon codes and another perpetual calendar, which I'm not completely sure on how I'm going to be using them, but I assure you I will find a way. then last but definitely not least is my catch-all planner is running out next month, so we only have a couple more weeks in it. This is the Penny Pages Pentrix Planner. So this is it is an undated planner, so you can put 12 monthly stickers in here. You got some boxes here you can write in, and there is 12 of them. You got some notes pages that are graphed, and then you get to your divider. This is your dashboard, which I like to just, honestly, like, I don't do anything with these. I just write important dates. If, say, like, actually I have one I can write. So on October 2nd, my husband will be home. So that's exciting. So that's all I do. So like appointments and stuff, I'll just go and I'll flip to like December. I know we have an appointment. I just need to find the card. It's in my purse, and I'll write it down here. So that's how I use the dashboard. And then it opens up to the monthly, and then it opens up to the weekly. So the weekly is on 2 pages, but it is just like my catch-all is now. I'll open up to another page of my new catch-all because I have it right here. And as you can see, it's a little different. So this is the new one. This is the old one. They have rounded boxes. They're now squared. And yeah, that's about it. That's really all that's different. And then if you flip it, the lines are just darker, it looks like on this one. So, and I told you I'd be back in a coil planner, which I am super excited about. So that is how that looks. So every day, every week it's the same, and then every month it's the same, and it will go all the way to September of 2025, and then we will get a new one. So that is that planner, and I'm really excited about it. And I did get the watermelon cover because I love watermelons. I might switch out the cover for a little while and put on my Harry Potter cover I have. But I haven't quite decided yet. So yeah, so these are the new little planners. Like I said, the monthly planner for Erin Condren does start in January, but I am thinking of starting this in October because it will make my life a little easier. But yeah, so that is it. All of the planners. So I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I will be seeing you guys in some new videos coming up, because when we set this planner up, I'm going to be talking about a refresh of not only my YouTube channel but also my Instagram. So yeah, there we go. That's it. And I will see you guys in the next one. Okay.